Hey there, marketers! Ready to dive into the world of digital marketing? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm breaking down everything you need to know about digital marketing. First off, what exactly is digital marketing? In simple terms, digital marketing is all about using digital channels like the internet, social media, search engines, and email to promote products and services. It's a way to connect with potential customers where they spend a lot of their time online. So why is digital marketing important? Traditional marketing methods like TV ads and billboards are still around, but they don't offer the same level of interaction and targeting. With digital marketing, you can reach a global audience, measure your performance in real time, and tweak your strategies on the fly. It's cost-effective and provides great ROI if done right. All right, let's talk about the key components of digital marketing. First up, we have search engine optimization, or SEO. This is all about optimizing your website to rank higher in search engine results, making it easier for people to find you. Next, there's content marketing. This involves creating valuable content like blog posts, videos, and infographics to attract and engage your target audience. Remember, content is king. Then we have social media marketing. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn are great for building brand awareness and engaging with your audience. Paid ads on these platforms can also drive traffic to your website. Email marketing is another crucial component. It's one of the most effective ways to nurture leads and convert them into customers. Personalized email campaigns can make a huge difference. And of course, we can't forget about pay-per-click or PPC advertising. This involves running ads on platforms like Google Ads, where you pay each time someone clicks on your ad. It's great for driving immediate traffic and generating leads. So how do you get started with digital marketing? First, define your goals. Are you looking to increase brand awareness, generate leads, or drive sales? Knowing your objectives will help you create a tailored strategy. Next, identify your target audience. Who are you trying to reach? What are their interests and pain points? Use this information to create content and campaigns that resonate with them. Finally, keep testing and optimizing. Digital marketing is all about experimenting and finding what works best for your business. Use analytics to track your performance and make data-driven decisions, and that's a wrap. Digital marketing is a powerful tool that can take your business to the next level. So get out there and start experimenting. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more marketing tips. Catch you in the next one.